If you were in charge of Earth,
I would say all animals to be left alone, and if they come to you, then they're your pets or something like that. And then if I was charged, I would say just make hotels and live in them, and don't charge and don't make money, because money's made out of leaves, and paper is made out of, I don't know what paper is made out of.
trees.
So then just leave the trees and just get whatever you need to make hotels, like big hotels, and then just put people in there with TVs and stuff that they need, and then you can just walk around nature and stuff, like out your front door,
I like that.
and explode all cars.
Wow. And you said, what did you say before that? What was the very first thing you said?
Leave nature alone. Or just make a giant hotel, but like leave nature alone. Like,
Yeah, because the very first thing you said was, leave nature alone or you go to jail.
yeah, or else you go to jail for 1 year, for how many minutes or seconds that you destroyed it.
Nice.
And like that owl up there is just being left alone. Nothing bad's happening. You should treat all animals and stuff the same.
Yeah.
And like pick up stuff that you want to examine, like a rock or dirt or a worm. Like carefully pick up a worm. Not, and like when you're done, don't just throw it down on the ground. Like gently put your hand on the dirt and then let it crawl off.
Yeah.
And be quiet, because you don't want to like make the animals like their feelings hurt or something, because they do have feelings.
Hmm.